Hi everyone, this is Daisy. Welcome back. I hope you're all healthy and safe. Today I'm going to make eggless vanilla cake. As you know, as a vegetarian, there's very limited choice out there in the supermarkets. So I've just come up with this recipe and I'm quite willing to share it with you because it's very nice and it tastes beautiful. So I'm going to talk you through the recipe and all the ingredients you need. To start with, you'll need to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equal to gas mark 4. And also you'll need 2 cake pan. But if you don't have 2 cake pan, you could use 1 and repeat the procedure a second time, so you can have 2 cakes separate, which we will assemble to make in 1. So let's just get started. We'll need 1.5 cup of flour, half cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, half cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of milk, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate will be needed as well. In a bowl, mix your flour, salt, sodium bicarbonate, and your baking powder and set it all aside. In another bowl, add your oil, granulated sugar, use a mixer and whisk it all well till the sugar is well combined with oil. Add your vanilla extract, the yogurt, and mix further. Add the white vinegar to it, then gradually your milk, followed by the flour. Mix further until the whole batter is smooth. Now we'll grease a cake pan and pour all the butter in it. The oven is now preheated, so we'll set it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and gas mark 5 to bake for 40 minutes. As you can see, the cake is now ready. We'll leave it to cool down. This is the one I made earlier. Remember, we need 2 layers of the cake, so it's both ready and cooling. Now in a bowl, mix 1 cup of butter and whisk till it's smooth and fluffy. Add 1.5 cup of icing sugar and mix. We'll now add 1/4 cup of whipping cream and mix it. We'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoonful of vanilla extract and mix it all well till it's well combined and smooth. To assemble the cake, put the cake on a cake stand. In this case, I've used an inverted plate. Put one layer down and then apply the frosting to it, a thin layer, and then add the other cake on top of it. That will just give it the thickness we want. And then start by applying the rest of the frosting all over it. You can be creative in whichever way you want. This is what I have in my kitchen, so I'm just going to use what I have at the moment because we can't shop. So just add a little colorful decorations on top, and I'm going to use some strawberries to make it look more beautiful. Adds color to it as well, and it tastes nice. I do hope you like the recipe and you're quite willing to try it. Please like and subscribe and comment below. If you have your own version of eggless vanilla cake, I'll be most happy to hear from you. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.